Welcome students to the quick solution of All India Cash Test Series Medical 2020. This is for OIM and CF. This is test number 2, code A and B for chemistry conducted on 20th of September 2020. Let's proceed with the first question of chemistry students, which is question number 46. Let's read the question. Incorrect characteristics of physisorption is. Let's read the statements. It involves van der Waals forces. Student, this is a correct statement as physisorption involves van der Waals forces. On the other hand, chemisorption involves chemical bond formation. Moving to next, it is reversible in nature. Student, this is also a correct statement as we all know that physisorption is reversible. On the other hand, chemisorption is irreversible in nature. Moving to next, it is highly specific in nature. Student, this is an incorrect statement as we all know that chemisorption is highly specific in nature. On the other hand, physisorption is not specific in nature. Moving to last, its enthalpy of adsorption is low. Student, this is also a correct statement. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 47. Let's read the question. Consider the adsorption isotherm at temperature T1, T2, T3. Students, in this question we are given with adsorption isotherm at three different temperatures T1, T2 and T3. We have to arrange the given temperature in decreasing order. First of all, for this question we need to know that adsorption is an exothermic process. As a result, it is very clear that if we increase the temperature or higher is the temperature, lesser will be the adsorption. That means the temperature T3 is highest and the temperature T1 is lowest. Or we can say that the correct order of temperature is T3 followed by T2 and the least temperature is T1. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 48. Let's read the question. Which among the following gases will be absorbed most easily on charcoal surface? Student, for this question we need to know that the gas which has higher critical temperature will be most easily absorbed on activated charcoal or on charcoal surface. Students, for this question, we need to know that gas which has higher critical temperature will be more easily absorbed. Among the given gases, that is H2, CO2, N2 and O2, the highest critical temperature is of CO2. As a result, CO2 will be most easily absorbed on charcoal surface. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 49. Let's read the question. Select the reaction which is an example of heterogeneous catalysis. Student, first of all, we need to understand the meaning of heterogeneous catalysis. So for that, we need to know that when the physical state of the catalyst is different from that of the reactant and the product, we call it as heterogeneous catalysis. And if the physical state of catalyst and the reactants and products are same, then we call it as homogeneous catalysis. Here we have to identify an example of heterogeneous catalysis. So let's start. In option number 1, we can see that all the reactants and product as well as the catalyst are in the gaseous state. That means number 1 is an example of homogeneous catalysis. Moving to next. Here, all the reactants, products, as well as the catalyst are in the liquid state. That means number 2 is also an example of homogeneous catalysis. Moving to next. Here, the reactants and products are in gaseous state, but the catalyst is in the solid state. That means number 3 is an example of heterogeneous catalysis. Moving to last. Here, the reactant and the product as well as the catalyst all are in the same state. That means number 4 is also an example of homogeneous catalysis. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. So answer is option 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 50. Let's read the question. Enzyme which is responsible to convert sucrose into glucose and fructose is? Student, this is one of the easiest question, and such questions are frequently asked in NEET. So I'm writing the reaction. Sucrose in the presence of invertase gets converted to glucose and fructose. That means the enzyme responsible for this conversion is invertase. So the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, students.